Dear students, this is fifth lecture on chapter 2nd, fractions and decimals from your maths book of class 7th. In this lecture, I will explain about metric system of units. Metric system of units. Today, every country in the world uses the metric system. The metric system is based on the number 10, that is a decimal system. Every unit is 10 times, 100 times, 1000 times, or 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000 means 10th, 100th, 1000th, larger or smaller than other units in the system. Base unit of length is meter, represented as small letter m. Base unit of mass is gram, written as small letter g. Base unit of volume is liter, written as small letter L. Here is a table of the different base units in the metric system. To remember the prefixes, we can use the following memory phrase. The memory phrase is: King Henry does not usually drink chocolate milk. Here King for kilo, Henry H for hecto, doesn't D for deca, usually U for unit means base unit, meter or gram or liter, D for deciliter, C for centi, and M for milli. Here kilo, hecto, deca are larger units of the base unit, and deci, centi, milli are the smaller units of base unit. When we have to convert larger unit into smaller units, then we have to multiply it, and when we have to convert smaller units into larger units, then we have to divide it. Now 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer is equal to 100 decameter is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter is equal to 100 centimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, and 1 yard is equal to 3 feet is equal to 86 millimeter. You have to write it in your classwork. Now we have to solve. Let us practice 2.7. Question number first part. We have to convert 35 meter into kilometer. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 35 meter should be converted into kilometer. Since a smaller unit is converted to kilometer, so we have to divide it. 35 meter is equal to 35 divided by 1000 kilometer is equal to 0.035 kilometer. This is answer. Since this number is divided by 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, so decimal point should be placed from rightmost digit by 3 places, 1, 2 and 0, third place. This is answer. Now third part is 57.29 meter into hectometer. We have to convert meter into hectometer. Since 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter, in this question we have to convert a smaller unit into bigger unit, so we have to divide it by this 100. 57.29 meter is equal to 57.29 divided by 100 hectometer. Since this decimal number is divided by 100 means 2 zeros, so this decimal point should shift it towards left by 2 places is equal to 0.5729 hectometer. This is answer. Now question number second. First part, convert 9.38 kg into milligram. Since 1 kg, 1 kilogram is equal to 10 lakh milligram. In this question we have to convert larger unit into smaller unit, so we have to multiply it by this one. 9.38 kg is equal to 9.38 into 10 lakh milligram is equal to 938,0000 milligram. This decimal point should be shifted towards right by 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is answer. Now third part is 162.81 hectometer into kilometer. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer, in this question we have to convert a smaller unit into larger unit, so we have to divide it by this one, 10. 162.81 hectometer is equal to 162.81 divided by 10 kilometer. since this decimal number is divided by 10 means 10, so this decimal point should shifted towards left by 1 place, is equal to 16.281 kilometer. This is answer. Now third question, first part is convert 0.56 liter into deciliter. Since 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter, in this question we have to convert larger unit into smaller unit, so we have to multiply it by 10. 0.56 liter is equal to 0.56 into 10 deciliter is equal to, in this question, this decimal number is multiplied by 10. So this decimal point should be shifted towards right by 1 place. So answer is 5.6 deciliter. This is answer. Now third part is 3.008 kilometer into meters. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and in this question we have to convert kilometer into meter, means larger unit into smaller unit. So we have to multiply it by 1000. 3.008 kilometer is equal to 3.008 into 1000 meter is equal to 3008 meter, since this decimal number is multiplied by 3 zeros. So this decimal point should shift towards right by 3 places. So this is answer. Now question number 5. In this question, Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7500 meter from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from B. Who traveled more and by how much? In this question, we have to find that who traveled more distances and by how much. Now distance traveled by Dinesh is equal to, again, distance traveled by Dinesh is equal to 7500 meter plus 12.7 kilometer. This is meter and this is kilometer. So we have to convert this meter into kilometer. When we convert a smaller unit into larger unit, then we have to divide it. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so we have divided this by 1000. 7500 upon 1000 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer is equal to 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer is equal to 20.2 kilometer. Now, distance traveled by Ayub is equal to 9.3 kilometer plus 11.8 kilometer is equal to 21.1 kilometer. So difference in distances. So difference in distances is equal to 21.1 minus 20.2 is equal to 0.9 kilometer. Thus Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh and by 0.9 kilometer. This is answer. Now question number 7. In this question, how much less is 28 kilometer than 42,600 meter? In this question, first we convert 42,600 meter into kilometer. 42,600 meter is equal to 42,600 divided by 1000 kilometer. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, when we convert a smaller unit into larger unit, so we have to divide it. Means this meter is divided by 1000 meter means 3 zeros. So decimal point should be placed after 3 digit from the rightmost digit. 1, 2, 3. It means 42.6 kilometer. So difference between 42.6 kilometer and 28 kilometer is equal to 42.6 minus 28 is equal to 14.6 kilometer. This is answer. You have to write it in your classwork. Now for homework, for letters practice 2.7, question number first, second part and fourth part. Question number second part and fourth part. Question number third, second part and fourth part. Question number 4 and question number 6. You have to do it in your homework. Now, assignment of chapter 2. Exercise and mental maths. It is given as a homework. You have to do it in your homework.